Yeah. So today we'll deal with the last part of your first module, that is your conversions. So star delta conversions, so which plays a major role in the last part of this module number 1. So till your previous class, source transformation. Any doubts anyone till there? If anybody have doubts regarding your source transformation, KCL, KVL, you just rectify the doubts, finish it off, because it is very, very important further also. So same concept comes with model number 2, theorems. So we have theorems there. So you'll get to know the same logic of KCL, KVL. Okay. Fine. So I'm audible to everyone, right? I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll deal with star delta conversion or delta to star conversion. See, before going for this conversion technique, you need to have an awareness for what purpose we are learning this star delta conversion. Okay. See, we went through with basic concepts of your Kirchhoff laws, both current law as well as voltage law. So using voltage law, you applied mesh analysis to calculate the current. So using current, you can find voltages. Correct? Similarly, you went through with Kirchhoff current law. So using current law, you found the voltages and you got current or power from that. And last is source transformation, where you're converting your given current source to voltage, voltage to current, depending upon the circuit or network. You have solved the things, right? So what was the maximum mesh or node you have solved in case of mesh analysis? What was the maximum meshes? I think it is 3. Yes or no, yeah? So maximum you have solved for 3 meshes, I1, I2, I3. Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So if I give a network which involves more than 3 or more than 4 meshes, so applying Kirchhoff law is not difficulty. You can apply, but solving simultaneous equation becomes lengthy process. Yes or no, yeah? Solving a simultaneous equation for more than 3 equations. So it becomes lengthy process. It is not impossible. You can do it, but is it impossible or just lengthy? I'm asking you people only. Is it lengthy process to find 5 unknowns, 5 unknowns? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you come across such type of network where you involves more than 3 meshes, if possibilities are there to apply your source transformation technique, apply, reduce it. If there is no other option, if it has more than 3 meshes or loops, then you have to go with a conversion called as star delta or delta star conversion. Okay. So this is a technique which is incorporated mainly for what purpose? Whenever you have more number of meshes, solving simultaneous equation becomes more tedious, means more lengthy. So in order to overcome that, so new technique was generated, it is called as your conversion. Star delta, delta to star. What is that? We will discuss later. But first of all, have you got why we are going for star delta conversion? Everyone? Am I clear till here? Am I clear till here to everyone? No response. Am I audible or not here? Everyone, is it fine? So what is the purpose of going for conversions? Yes or no? My voice is not audible here. Any break is happening in voice?
Audible, sir.
Yeah, you got what I told. Why you want star delta now? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So straight away we'll move with the conversions now. So you have 2 techniques I told: conversion, star delta, delta to star. Say if I say, so it is vice versa also. So both possible. So delta to star also possible. Okay. Now just look at, so you just need to have to remember the formula, to remember the formula to solve such type of conversion technique, you need to have a formula. So assume that you have a network like this. So you have a network like this. Is it visible what I'm writing? Everyone, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm asking you around, is it visible here? So if I mark the nodes A, B and C. So this is a resistor which is having between A and B. That's why I'll write RAB. And this is a resistor between B and C. I'll write RBC. And this I can write as RAC. Is it visible? So this is in the form of what? Is it like delta or is it like star? Delta means what? A symbol. Is it like this? Is it called delta? Delta symbol?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, yeah? See, this is delta. I want this to be converted in the form of star. So star means it is like this. So it like Y representation or star. Okay. So now I need to incorporate the logic of my delta to star conversion technique to get the answer for this equivalent in terms of star. It means what? I need to get the answer. I need to get the answer of this. In which form I told? Star form, means in this way. You just understand the concept first, then you can solve the problem easily. So this is A, B and C. Okay, now listen here. If you want to find this means, I need to convert this to this form. So how to convert this to this form? So whenever you find any delta form in the network, for your reference, you just make a thing what I'm going to write now. You just write in pencil also, that is not a problem. This is just for your reference. Okay. So in between two resistors, I'm going to place a resistor. See, between two resistor, one resistor, between two resistor, one resistor, between two resistor, one resistor. So this is connected to node A, right? I'm going to mark it as RA. This connected to node B, I will mark it as RB. This to node C, RC. Am I clear till here? What I told everyone? Whenever you find any delta form, so inside that there will be a star conversion. That is what I want to convert, right? So wherever you have two resistors, in between write one resistor and check out for what node it is connected. It is connected for A, so RA, RB, RC. So it means what? I need to convert this delta to star in this fashion. RA, RB, RC. Am I clear till here to everyone? Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So now what is the thing you want? You need to know what is the formula for RA, RB, RC. Correct na? If you are able to get the formula for this, then getting the answer is not a big issue. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay na? So now we'll try to write a formula for individual now. So what could be the formula for my RA? What could be the formula for my RA? Listen carefully. See, whenever you come across such kind of concept, whenever you want to convert this to this form, what I told, you need to have a formula for this. If you're able to get the formula, you can get the answer easily. So listen here. So this RA is connected to this node, right? So for this node, what are the resistors connected? One is RA, one is RAC. Am I clear? For this RA, RAB and RAC are connected. Am I clear? Everyone. So whenever you want to write the formula, RA is equals to this two resistor is what? RAB into RAC whole divided by sum of all the resistor. Sum of all the resistor means RAB plus RBC plus RC. You got how I wrote the formula for my RA? Everyone? I'll repeat. So to get the delta to star conversion, so this inside diagram what I wrote, it is like a star. So want the formula for this individual resistor RA, RB, RC. To get RA, what we did? We have taken the node connection A, RAB is there, RAC is there. So this two multiplication you should do, and in the denominator you should do sum of all the things. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the formula for RB? What is the formula for RB now?
RBC into RAB.
So here you said right. So B means here. So between these two resistors is there means I should write what here? RAB, RBC, whole divided by, see denominator remains same. So RAB plus RBC plus RC. Is it fine? So denominator in delta to star conversion remains same. Any doubts? Anyone till here? So similarly, can you tell me for RC also? What is RC equals to now?
RAC. RBC into RAC.
So RC is here. Good. So RAC plus RBC. Is it plus or into?
Into, sir, multiplication.
So into whole divided by denominator remains same. We can write summation of all. So any doubts? Anyone with this calculation of star to delta? So delta to star conversion. So delta is like this form. I need to convert to this form. Am I clear? Everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the thing you should be having awareness, the formula. If you are able to remember the formula, then solving problem will become easy for you. So whenever you have more than 3 meshes, so applying your concept of Kirchhoff law becomes more lengthy. In order to overcome this, we are going for the simple technique called conversions, delta to star, star delta. Using this, we'll get a same answer. But you're going to do the things faster than your mesh analysis. Okay. But read the question carefully. If they ask mesh analysis, you should go with mesh only. So don't write blindly whichever you know. Read the question, and that's why I'm stressing. Whether it is mesh analysis, nodal analysis, source transformation or star delta conversion, read the question completely, then try to answer. So don't blindly answer whatever you want. Is it fine till here? Everyone? Now look at here. See, sometimes the diagram will be of delta in this way. So I can represent my delta, or I can represent in the form of pi also. In the form of pi means what? The network look like this. The network look like this. Is it like pi? Everyone, is it like pi? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, whenever you find delta or pi, both remain same. So this pi also like delta only. So you have to apply same logic. So get the resistor. So between these two resistors, one will come. Between these two resistors, one will come. Between these two resistors, one will come. Is it like star now? Is it like star conversion? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, few problems you can find such kind of network as delta. Few problems you can find such kind of pi concept. Then formula doesn't change. It remains same. You just need to align the elements properly. So I hope everyone got the concept of your delta to star conversion. Am I clear till here? Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
similarly, we will try to analyze one more technique. Then we'll go to problems. So what is next conversion now? What is next here? Which is one more type of conversion left out?
Star to delta.
Star to delta. So it means, so whenever you find such kind of networks, so just write here. Okay. So this is what the original thing, RA, RB, RC. So now if you want to find delta for this, what's the procedure? What the thing I told? So how you marked inside? So now it is for outside thing, right? So just mark for your reference. Okay. So for your reference, similarly for your reference, done. So what is this now? What is that? Connection between A and B means such as RAB. So between B and C means RBC. So between A and C means RAC. So is it what the things we have to convert now? Star delta. Everyone agree? Everyone agree?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. You need to have an analysis to convert this. So it means I should have a formula to find what is RAB. Sandra. So listen now. So RAB means, so it's AB, right? So you should do reverse operation now. So earlier we have taken denominator as same, right? Now numerator becomes constant. I'll just repeat. Listen here. So if you want to get RAB, so now instead of doing multiplication, you should do addition. Means RA plus RB. I'll repeat. If you want RAB, you need to do RA plus RB plus RA into RB. Let me write. So listen carefully. RAB means RA plus RB plus multiplication of the same thing. RA, RB whole divided by, means this divided by opposite raised term. So for this RAB, which is the opposite raised term among RA, RB, RC?
RC.
Among RA, RB, RC, which is the opposite resistor for RAB?
RC, sir.
Voice is not audible, Shreyas. Is it RC?
RC. RC.
Correct and wrong. RAB is here. RC is exactly opposite. So RAB formula is RA plus RB plus RA into RB whole divided by opposite resistor RC. Now after knowing this, can you tell me the formula for RBC? So RBC is here. Yeah, tell me the formula. Tell me the formula.
RB plus RC
RB plus RC plus RB RC all divided by what is the opposite resistor?
RA.
RA. So now everyone got the logic how to convert your start delta. So same way you finish off with the last formula RAC. Yeah, RAC formula.
RA plus RC plus
RA plus RC
plus
plus
RAC divided by RB.
RA RC opposite resistor.
RB.
Understood now? See, this is what the formula you need to have awareness whenever you want to convert what? Star delta conversion. See, if you remember these two concepts, then straight away we can move to problems and we can solve how this conversion works in electrical network. Am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anybody have doubts how to write the formula means you can ask. Otherwise, straight away we'll move to problem and we'll try to implement the logic what we have tried to discuss here. Shall we move to problems now? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's move on to the formulas based problem. So look at the question, how it is. Okay, what is the question now? For the following network, apply the conversion techniques. Apply the conversion techniques. For the following network, apply the conversion techniques. Say if they give conversion techniques, depending upon the question, whether you want delta to star or star delta, you can apply. Depending upon star delta or delta star, you can get the answer. Okay, just make note of the question first. So this is your R in, R equivalent, right? So you need to find for the given network what is your R equivalent, R in nothing but what you're supposed to find now. So the values they are given, this is 5, 6, 6, 18, followed by 6, 6, 18. So this is a question. So this is a question, everyone. So using your technique of conversion, whether you want to apply star delta, delta to star, it's left to you. Using that logic, I need to simplify what is the value of Rin. It means n number of resistors are there. I need to get only one equivalent resistor Rin. That is the question. Got the question first of all, everyone? Have you got the question or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me how to proceed. So it is in which form? Is it in delta form or pi form, star form? Which one will apply? First look at the circuit carefully. Before applying any technique of your star delta, delta to star, normally any possibilities are there to reduce? Just try out first. Any combinations are there where we can reduce the things? Yeah. Look at the circuit carefully and tell me here. Pardon?
18 and 6.
See, good. 18 and 6 are in series, right? So why you want 2 resistor? I can make it to 1 resistor. Correct na yeah? So before applying your conversion technique, you can see, you can look at the network first. Any possibilities of any serial parallel combinations, you can reduce it. So I can make this 2 to 1 resistor. So the value become 24. Clear? So assume that similarly for the, I will just add up, if there is one more resistor of 5, so then this 2 can we make it parallel to 1? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you find 5 ohm resistor parallel to this 18 ohm, you can do the modification and you can write only one resistor. So now that is what the first thing we should do. First check out any possibilities are there, any series or parallel combination of resistor. If it is there, you try to make it to simplest. So now tell me this you need to apply which form? Delta to star or star delta? Which one you will apply here? I am asking people only. What you will apply now?
Star to delta, sir.
You will apply star delta? Is it so? Star delta, delta to star?
Delta to star, sir.
Delta to
Pi
star.
form.
See, listen here. You look at these two meshes, it look like your pi. Is it not? Is it like pi or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it like pi or not?
Yes, sir.
But tell me, do you want to apply for both or one is sufficient? Do you want to apply this delta to star for both or one is sufficient is a question. If you are able to solve any one, do you think other will come in series with other? Yes or no, yeah? We will try out. We will try out. Listen now. See, any one of this you can convert to your star. What I told, between two resistors, one resistor is supposed to place. So now between two resistors, I will place one resistor. Similarly, okay, let me change the color. See this, what I am writing inside, it is for your reference. Unless until you get practice, you just have an awareness and don't highlight the things which is inside. Just write lightly in a pencil. That is enough for your reference. That's all. Is it how it looks? If I convert to star, yes or no, yeah. So now this is like your RA, RB, and RC. So now you have to incorporate which conversion now? Which conversion?
Delta to star.
Delta to star. Good. So what was the formula? Do you remember what I wrote? RA is equals to? RA is equals to? What was the formula we wrote here?
RAB into
RAB
RAC by RAB plus RBC.
RA into RB divided by sum of all. So now RA into RB means across this you need to calculate, right? So now tell me what is the values I should multiply? RAB is this, RBC is this. So 6 into 6 divided by sum of all. Cut and draw. Is it fine? See, no need to represent the formula and all. You just need to calculate directly also, not a problem. Okay. So only for the first time, since you want to get practice, try to write the formula and write separately. Otherwise, you'll get confused and you'll get mess of all this, right? So if you want to get this, I need to multiply this two and divide by sum of all. Correct? So RA is equal to 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6 plus 18. How much? How much? It's 36
So we
divided
are
by
doing for RA or RB, sir.
RA.
So in the top one, sir.
This one. So this is between these two, right?
I think we have to multiply 6 and 18, no, sir. Should
Yes,
we
sir,
multiply 6 and 18 or 6 and 18, sir?
Oh, yeah.
According to formula, it's
Correct. So you want this two, right? So this two multiplication, correct. So RA is between these two. So it means I need to multiply 6 into 18 divided by sum of. Correct. What's the answer? How much here?
3.6.
3.6. Okay, good. 3.6 ohm. Fine, I'll repeat. If you want to find this, so this 2 multiply divided by sum of. So now I want this means, so I want RB means what here? Again 6 into 6 divided by sum of all. So 6 into 6 divided by sum of all. How much?
1.2.
1.2,
2.
na? Okay, last one RC. So you want RC means this two resistor multiply divided by sum of all. So it means like first answer only. I think RA and RC both are same. Everyone, is it 3.6 only?
yes, sir.
So try to write
Sir.
the answers step by step carefully and mention the unit also. So any doubts anyone till here? Any doubts anyone how we got these answers? See, if you are not able to understand, you tell me, I'll repeat once more. Logic I want you to understand clearly. Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you should do? We need to eliminate this. We need to eliminate your delta. This is gone. So is it like this now? Circuit look like this? Is it how it looks here? So now what you should do? You just need to dump the values what you got. So it's 3.6, then 1.2, then 3.6. See, if you do like this step by step, you will get a clear idea how the reduction takes place. Now look at the things carefully and tell me how many series connections you have. How many series connections you have?
2.
Only 2?
3. 3, sir.
See, 5 and 3.6 also in series, right? Yes or no? Look at here. 5 and 3.6 in series, that become one resistor. And again 1.2 and 6 is in series. 3.6 and 24. Yeah, 24 is in series. So after writing this, what's the equivalent circuit you need to represent here? So this 2 becomes series. So is it like this? Is it how it looks here? Everyone? Am I correct? So this becomes 8.6 and this becomes 7.2 and this becomes 27.6. Is it how it looks? Is it how it looks? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now what is this? Is it parallel combination or not?
Yes, sir.
So you can reduce further, right? So no need to apply any conversions now. Straight away you can write 8.6 for this one resistor. What is the equivalent of that? So 7.2 into 27.6 whole divided by 7.2 plus 27.6. So the parallel combination. How much? What's the answer?
55.2.
50.
5.2.
55.2. So again these two resistors are in series now. So is it correct what you would answer? Parallel combination 7.2 into 27 point this. So is it 55.2 only? Everyone? Correct and wrong?
No, sir. I think it's some other answer.
Check out the parallel combination answer. Is it 55 something?
5.716.
No, sir. 5.71.
Yeah,
Point
it's
7 1,
5.1. So that's why I told be careful while writing the answer. Okay. So 7.2 into 27.6 is in parallel. If you do parallel combination, you get the answer is 5.1. So now this 5.1 and 8.6 are in series or parallel? Series or parallel, yeah?
Series.
Series. Is it 5.1 or 5.7? Is it 5.1 only?
5.7.
5.71, sir.
7.
5.7. Okay. So now again these two become series, right? So I can write the equivalent of this to one resistor. What's the answer now? What's the answer here?
14.31, sir.
14.31.
3 1, sir.
So 14.31 ohm. Therefore, Rin is equals to 14.31 ohm. So this is the end of your problem. So everyone got the logic how to perform your conversions now? Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
See, if anybody had doubt, you can ask. So that's why I told no need to apply for both. If you apply for one, other will come in series like this. So straight away you can write. See, follow steps carefully here. So each step carries marks. So don't write final answer and lose the marks knowingly. Try to write the step-by-step procedure, then try to get the full marks. Okay? So we'll go with the next problem then. Go for next. So I want you to solve yourself. I will tell the question, run the question. Obtain the current I. Obtain the current I through 10 ohm resistor. Obtain the current I through 10 ohm resistor. Through 10 ohm resistor in the network shown below. In the network shown below using star delta and delta star conversion. Using star delta and delta star conversion. What are the question first? So read the question carefully. That is what I told. Star delta, delta star conversion. Is it visible here? Everyone, is it visible? So this is your 10 ohm what they are given. for you to find the current. 8, 4, 12, 12, 24. This is 30. 13, 17, 30. Okay. So this is what the given network for you know. So the value of voltage is 180 volt. Yeah. So this is a given question. This is the given question. So what they asked, you need to find current across this. You know, it means you need to simplify the complete number of resistors to single equivalent resistor. So for that you can apply your logic of Ohm's law. I is equals to V by R or V is equals to I by R to get the current. Okay. So got the question, written the question here? Everyone? Written the question? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now tell me how to proceed with this. What is the first thing I told? You try to check out any possibilities are there without applying conversion. Any simplification can be done at the beginning, just check out. Anywhere conversion is possible? Simplification is possible here without applying conversion technique?
Yes, sir. Two places, 8 and 4 and 13 and 17.
Good. So 8 and 4, this is one end. These two are in series. So I can make it to one resistor of 12. What about this two? So this is also one resistor. Yes or no? So first step is eliminate these two series combination, make it to one resistor. This become 12. So similarly, this become 30. Right? So then you have to apply your conversion of which form? It look like this. Let me write a circuit now. So it is like this. So this value become 12. Okay. And similarly replace here also. This value become 30. Which form will you implicate now? Which form you will implicate? Which conversion here?
Delta to star, sir.
So how many deltas you have now?
2, sir.
Actually it look like 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 deltas are there, but no need to apply for the middle one. Correct now? If you apply for either ends, then automatically one will come in series. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the thing you should remember. So don't apply delta blindly for everything. Apply for this end and this end. So automatically this middle one becomes series, right? So try to incorporate that and tell me what is the answer. So just write for your reference 1 here, 1 here, and similarly here also. What are the values you just send me? So if you want to find this value means 12 into 12 divided by sum of all. See, whenever you have such kind of problems, you got easy concept, right? If you are able to find one, remaining all three are same only. Why? Because it is having equivalent resistance. Yes or no? Am I clear? See, there will be hint for you in the problem. Since all the resistors are having same value, if you find any one, I can replicate the remaining answer also same. Am I correct? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
What is the value? What is the value of this conversion of delta to star?
Sir, RA is equals to 4 ohms, sir.
4. So I can replicate 4 for RB and RC also. If you are able to find one, I can replicate same thing because same value of resistor. Unless until the values are changed, you can stick on to the procedure. Okay. Similarly, this side 30 into 30 divided by sum of all. How much? How much here?
10, sir.
10. So you can write all 10 as 3 answers. Surrender. So once you write this, I am going to eliminate the circuit now. So this 12 also gone. This 12 also gone. So just eliminate the data form. Okay. So similarly, here also 30 gone. This 30 also gone. This 30 also gone. Is it how it looks? Everyone agree? So now tell me how many series here? How many registers are series here?
4, 24, 10.
See here, 4, 24, 10, all are series. What's the answer? It's 38. So you can write one register of value 38. Good. What about next? This 4 will be as it is. So we'll keep that 4 as it is. So here you have 4, 10 and again 10. This is also in series, yes or no? So this value here. Is it like this? Is it how it looks? Agree? Am I correct here? So what is the value of this? So it's 20, 24 and this 4 and 10 are like this. This is 180. Am I correct? Everyone, Arthaktyandro, what I wrote here? I made this 4, 24, 10 as series that become 38. So this 4 is as it is. That's why I kept this 4 as it is. Then the 4, 10, 20, 10 become 24 and this 10 as it is. So what is the combination of 38, 24 parallel? How much? How much is this answer? What's the parallel combination of 38 to 24?
14.709, sir.
14.7. I'll replace that and replace the remaining. This all comes to one mesh now. Cut and draw. Is it fine? So what is the equivalent resistor now? What is R equivalent?
28.709, sir.
Yes, Papa?
28.709, sir.
28.7, let me write. So this is your R equivalent across this. So now what you should do? You have found R equivalent. But what is the question they asked you to find? Find the current across 10 ohm resistor. So where is 10 ohm now? 10 ohm resistor means what? Nothing but you can find this current. That is a mesh current, right? If you are able to find current, then what is the formula you can incorporate? I is equals to V by R. So what is your R now? Is it 10 or R equivalent you will write? Which one you will write? Across 10 ohm means you should take R as what here? ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತೀರೋ? How to find current I? Is it 180 by 10?
Yes, sir.
See, if they just ask you to find the current, equivalent current means you can divide V divided by R equivalent means 180 by 28.7. When they ask general current, if they ask specifically across 10 ohm means, so value of resistor is given as 10, so you can perform 180 by 10. That will give you 18 amps. If this is asked particularly, if they ask find current through equivalent resistor, I'll repeat the question. Find the current through equivalent resistor means I need to find I here. That becomes I is equals to 180 by 28.7. How much? How much?
6.27 amperes, sir.
6.2. So you got the difference between both the currents now. If it is particularly 10 ohm, R is already given, voltage is known, just find the answer. But they will ask equivalent current. So equivalent current means for this equivalent circuit what you got. So R equivalent you proved it as 28.7. That if you divide by 180 you are going to get 180 by 22.7 you are going to get 6.2 amps. Am I clear to everyone with this problem? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So we'll do with last one and we'll stop on this. So if anybody have difficulty to understand star data conversion, let me know. So I hope everyone got till here, till the problem what we have solved. Is it fine here? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go with the last one. So this you have to solve now. Another question. Find the equivalent resistor. Find the equivalent resistor between A and B. Find the equivalent resistor between A and B terminals. A and B terminals for the network shown below. Find the equivalent resistor. Find the equivalent resistor between terminals A and B for the network shown below. For the network shown below using star delta or delta star conversion. Using star delta or delta star conversion. Another question. So this is what the thing they are given. So this is your A and this is your B. Okay. So the value of each resistors are 30 only. So all the values are having 30 ohm. See, if you get such kind of network, solving using mesh analysis become lengthier. Artha clear hoga concept of star delta though? Everyone? Is it fine? Question is visible here. So now it's your task. See, since they are given all the common resistor, it won't be a much problem for you to solve the problem. If they are having different, then only you will commit mistakes. So try to practice more problems after knowing the logic here. So what is the first thing I should do in this network?
Adding the resistances which are in series.
So the first thing is I need to add this 2, that becomes 60. So after that, how the circuit looks like? Is it like this? Is it like this? Correct na yaar? Correct na? So can I further reduce this? Can I make this 30 and 60 as parallel and I can proceed?
Yes, sir.
See, I told you before applying your conversion, try to check out any series parallel combination of resistor is done manually as it is. Without applying, you can try it. So again, this 60, 30 becomes parallel, so that I can reduce it to 1. What is the value of this?
20 ohms, sir.
20 ohms. So from here onwards, you can apply your delta to star conversion and get the answer. Will you do this? Everyone? So you have to apply delta here. So one resistor here, one resistor here, one resistor here. Then same way you apply for one more and last one becomes series for that. You can get the equivalent resistor. Is it fine? Is it fine? Finish it off and tell me what is the answer. By the time I take attendance, I want you to finish it off and tell me what is the answer. Try to solve this, finish it off. So this is your star delta conversion, last part of your module number 1. So next class we will go with your 4th module. One, two, 3, 4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present,
6. Yeah, given. 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8, 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
Tejas, why you are becoming irregular here? Third class ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ now?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್.
You should
PG ಎಲ್ಲ
take
ಖಾಲಿ.
permission, okay?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17, 18,
Yes, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22, 23,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6. Chaitanya.
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8. Chandana is not there. 9,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
4, 35,
Present, sir.
36, 7,
Present, sir.
8, 39.
Present, sir. Present, sir. Sir, 38 present.
Yeah, Deepak, given. 40, 41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47 is not there. 48,
Present, sir.
Sumit is not there. Abhishek Gowda.
Present, sir.
Yeah, Abhishek, when you got joined to college here?
Sir, September, sir.
Inda?
Yes, no, sir, starting.
Okay. Remaining 3 are not there. Okay, fine. Yeah, what's the answer you got? What's the answer? I told you to solve this problem, right? Finish off this. What is the R equivalent? Tell me.
31.17.
Become 10, 10, 10. Extra path. What is the R equivalent you're going to get? Anyone solved or not?
31.17.
30?
31.17, sir. 1.17.
Others check out. So you'll get 31.1 as your friend told. So this all become 10, 10, 10 combination. Then again this two become series, right? So again you can apply delta here. You can apply delta here, that becomes completely series. Check out what is the answer. Is it correct what your friend told? Everyone. Check out the answer. How much, Jayant?
Sir, 33.3, sir.
Yeah. Just check out
Yes, sir,
your answer.
33.3, sir.
33.3. 33 point. Just check out slight mistakes you will commit while doing parallel series combination. So answer is 33.3. Just cross check. Okay. So we'll stop here.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the previous problems where you told us to find the current in the 10 ohm resistor, sir. Sir, actually there is a voltage drop. The voltage across the series resistances will vary, no, sir. So actually we need to find the voltage drop
Actually,
across
the question was not to find across 10 ohm, Jayant. It was complete current because we are reducing R equivalent, right? So you have to find complete current. So I told if they give particularly across 10 ohm, you need to apply, you need to stick on that. You need to keep the 10 ohm as it is and you should solve. You should not eliminate like how we did earlier problems. Okay, na? So in this problem,
Yes.
the question was to find a complete current, not across 10 ohm.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Then it
Got
will be 180 by R equivalent. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's also just change here. So the problem was to find the current for a complete R equivalent. So see you next class. So we'll go with model number 4.